from the UK, coming here. I don't have a residency yet. I actually apply for a mortgage.
One of my customers, he's a dentist. He closed his mortgage within 6 years.
There's a lot of them, even including myself. I don't know that much about it, and I've never had anyone explain really how it works.
So let's start with the basic concept. So a mortgage is basically a home finance. It means you go to a lending institution and they lend you a percentage of the property value. Mortgage is the cheapest form of financing that you can ever get from a bank. Rates in the UAE start from 3.75 discounted. These are very low rates. It means if you loans, they use flat rates. It's equivalent to 1.9 or 2% flat. So it's very cheap. If you consider that inflation is 5% or 4%, these are the cheapest form of financing that you can get from the bank. Span up to 25 years. So your monthly payments would be very low.
The UK, coming here, and I don't have a residency yet. Can I actually apply for a mortgage? What would be my rate?
The reason is because a rental payment would actually be higher than a mortgage payment. And you're not building equity. The property is not yours. You're paying the money to a landlord. You will never own this property. Beginning, 50% of the payment is going towards the principal amount, which means that you start to build equity. You start building ownership stake in this property. And the monthly payment would be lower. And within a couple of years, you would find that you fully own the property if you do some overpayments. We say an overpayment, it means you pay a percentage of the mortgage. Whenever you meet someone who's renting and he's paying 7,000 or 8,000 dirhams, he could get a mortgage on the same property and they would be the owner and they would build equity from that property with 4,000 dirhams a month. One of my customers, he's a dentist. He closed his mortgage within 6 years. The other part is because people want to build equity to refinance. What I mean by refinancing is people can pull cash from their property. Then with this cash or with this extra value, they can buy other properties and build a portfolio.